Every yacht begins with a dream, an idea to build something better. In 2015, Marlow designed what seemed impossible at the time with so many extraordinary features to offer on this yacht. The vision? To build a fast trawler to ensure the owner's lifestyle, comforts, and adventures exceed their expectations. Hi, I'm Gregg Somerville with Denison Yachting. We're here today in Sarasota, Florida. I'd like to invite you on board this beautiful Marlow 80 enclosed bridge with the Sky Bridge. Her name? Indigo. Come along with me to the aft deck. Indigo's aft deck is spaciously designed with fixed cockpit bench seating and floating chairs. A large settee table seating around 10 people is aft. A really nice feature is an aft deck head for the wet or dry coming in from a day of snorkeling, diving, fishing, or cruising. And this Frigibar electronic cooler can handle lots of extra refrigeration needs. Hidden wing docking station is port side on the aft deck. Built-in stairs and handrails port side lead up to the enclosed bridge deck. The aft deck has removable sunshade that covers from the aft deck hardtop back over the swim platform. Two extra wide sliding doors open up to a 5-foot opening into the salon when both doors are opening. Please join me now going into Indigo's elegant main salon. Located in the calming salon atmosphere to port is a hidden internal access companionway down to the crew and engine room. Two large port and starboard luxurious leather couches with tables and abundant extra storage underneath those couches. Custom free-floating matching chairs and coffee tables surround this lavish, warm setting. Forward, port side is a granite-topped wet bar area, sub-zero refrigerator, wine cooler, and wet bar. A teak dining table forward with built-in matching teak, custom hutch with storage and entertainment center give a feeling of warm, comfortable, well-designed surroundings with a high-gloss teak deck and ingrained matched teak and holly furniture, sole antique furniture and cabinets. To top this beautiful setting off, there are large glass picture windows welcoming the outside beauty inside. Noteworthy is a single center line teak ceiling handrail running above the entire salon for safety at sea. The country kitchen? Wow! This is another very cool place to meet up for the first morning cup of java. Throughout the day and into dinner, everyone on board congregates here to make the plans for the day. This space is very functional because it serves so many different uses. Navigating charts, meals, playing cards, playing games, watching TV, having meals, and having drinks, just to name a few uses. One thing's for sure, this is the main street for a family and guests to meet up at. 360-degree panoramic views invite a relaxed, warm environment to soak in all the beauty and beautiful surroundings. Two large U-shaped joining tables with seating for 10 to 12 comfortably. The tables can be separated into two sections or one big dining table. Plenty of extra storage everywhere you look on this yacht. To port, a new Malay separate heavy-duty washer and dryer built into a large folding area and extra storage. Pilot doors located between the galley and the country kitchen. Heading aft, enter into the spacious and luxurious owner's full beam open suite. This ensuite master is warm and inviting with high gloss teak and holly decks and natural teak surrounding you in luxury. King size centerline bed with upgraded burl wood accents, abundant drawer storage, and multiple hanging lockers. To port is a welcoming seating area to relax on with additional built-in storage. Large stainless steel portholes, both port and starboard, invite natural light to surround you while the open air blinds can give privacy. Forward to port is the master ensuite head with an oversized shower, granite countertops, gross fixtures, and warm tropical teak wood are just a few of the luxuries here and in all the staterooms and heads. Now let's move forward to the VIP stateroom. The VIP stateroom will surround your family and guests, making them feel abundantly comfortable and welcome. The VIP sleeps 4. King-size berth centerline with 2 elevated berths port and starboard, a large ensuite head with granite countertops, large shower, gross fixtures, and large dressing mirror. Large storage doors and hanging lockers allows for plenty of extra storage. Now let's take a few steps aft to the port and starboard staterooms. The port guest stateroom. This stateroom provides 2 stacked single berths with a hanging locker and extra drawer storage. There is a large shower, upgraded countertops, gross fixtures, and can also serve as a convenient day head for guests. Let's look across to the starboard guest stateroom and its ensuite. This stateroom provides 2 side-by-side single berths, hanging locker, beautiful upgraded burl accents, and extra storage here as well. This stateroom has a large shower, upgraded granite counter, and gross fixtures as well. While we are looking at our staterooms, let me take you down to the crew quarters. The crew quarters are configured for up to 4 crew with 3 single berths to port, lounge area, and captain's single berth to starboard with nice natural lighting flooding this area. Full-size laundry area, Seakeeper gyro system centerline under the aft steps. Large ensuite head with shower forward and to starboard, hanging storage lockers, storage drawers, and bins. Behind the crew quarters aft are 2 easily accessible separate port and starboard sound shielded generator rooms that are monitored from the helm. All right, let's now take a look at the engine room. We can enter through a watertight door moving forward from the crew quarters. Enter the full stand-up air-conditioned engine room after the engines and engine room bulkhead. Behind the bulkhead is a centerline single 3,900 gallon fuel tank separating the engine room from the rest of the ship. The twin 32 kW generators are housed in their own separate sound-shielded ventilated equipment rooms for ease of service. Either generator can run the entire ship. The Naiad fin stabilizers are housed forward in the engine room separately. Twin sea chests, cross-plumbed, provide redundancy for all seawater to the engine room for ease of serviceability. Worth noting here, large yachts, military ships, commercial vessels also use sea chests for the same exact reason. Dual, redundant, and supplementary chilled water chillers, 3 compressors total, are also located in the sound enclosed engine room. On the engine room aft bulkhead is the automatic shaft oiling system, keeping the shafts filled with oil, greatly reducing friction, increases overall performance, and reduces vibration and noise sound telegraphing through the hull. Also in the engine room, 2 4,000 watt inverters and chargers are located on the aft engine room bulkhead. Just around from the galley is the enclosed command bridge deck, helm and aft tender deck. Indigo's enclosed bridge is finished off in satin teak with high gloss and teak and holly decks, occasional burl wood textures, and ultra leather accent finishes. The helm has excellent panoramic views and features 2 pomponette double wide pilot and co-pilot helm seats. After the helm to starboard is a raised L-shaped settee for 360-degree views with a high-low adjustable table that can also convert into an additional sleeping quarters. Have more guests traveling with you? Not to worry, as this level offers a full ensuite sink, head, and shower to port, allowing this vessel to convert into additional sleeping quarters. Lighted Marlow safety control panel located above the windshield. The multiple pop-out control stations and remote yacht controller station makes for effortless docking, and redundant stations help make Indigo a go-anywhere, anytime yacht supporting the captain at all levels. The upper bridge aft deck is very spacious with a custom hardtop overhang over the built-in settee to starboard with free-floating chairs offering plenty of seating for 6 to 8 people. Built-in storage cabinet to port houses large ice maker, supplies, and a sink. 14-foot tender deck and a 1,600-pound telescoping davit with stainless steel dinghy chocks. Moving forward, we have the second Portuguese viewing deck. This is very unique to yachts under 100 feet. We call it the Command Bridge Upper Portuguese Deck. Extra built-in seating for family and friends to join in with a very special location forward to take in the quiet running sound of air, an excellent observation deck in front of the enclosed bridge above the main deck. No sound of the engines running, just clean, quiet air. This feature commonly found on yachts over 100 feet, plus mega yachts, and now it's incorporated in Indigo. Just a few steps up from the enclosed flybridge is one of the coolest features of this yacht. It's the open sky bridge. Awesome open airy sky deck level to escape from the enclosed command bridge below and let the fresh air carry you to the next island paradise. This sky bridge makes it so easy to see why this is where owner and friends spend most of their time cruising. One of the most loved levels to see everything in the open air from above. Full helm and electronics to run Indigo with plenty of seating for all of your guests. Custom hardtop protects from the elements and optional partial enclosure. Aft sunshade, expansive seating air area forward makes it the perfect location to run Indigo or just sit back and relax, taking it all in. This is one of the top features of Indigo that separates her from the Me Too pack. Everyone visits and loves the open air sky bridge. Next, we'll go outside to cover the hull and side decks. Indigo was built using the best of breed technologies. She takes advantage of all lightweight, extremely strong, puncture resistant materials to provide a fuel savings at any speed. Tremendous strength at sea in all weather conditions. She has a Coruscant core. She's engineered for strength, laminating, ease, and resistance to any intrusion. Her primary structure is a highly engineered E-glass and Kevlar combination with Coruscant foam sandwich laid up with all the modified resins. Another Marlow signature is that her underbody entails twin Velocijet strut keels and mild propeller tunnels housing and protecting the shafts. That's how we get to the shallow draft on a 90-foot yacht. Another Marlow signature, flag blue all grip hull with planking lines makes this a very special northeastern look and feel. Distinguishable from the pack in any marina, anchorage, or cruising area. Built-in bow seating and storage for fenders, lines, and deck gear in the Portuguese bridge. Her fit and finish on Indigo is second to none and found mostly on larger yachts. On behalf of Denison Yachting and myself, Gregg Somerville, I'd like to thank you for joining me on board Indigo today. If you have any questions or would like a private showing, please contact me anytime.